Hello ladies and gentlemen, Body Code Fitness, welcome to my YouTube channel. Transform your body from home with a fast, fierce and focused routine designed to sculpt your waist, tighten your core and boost your confidence. This program blends fat-burning intensity with girl power energy to help you sweat smarter, stay motivated and see real changes in just 14 days. Get ready to unlock your strongest, most toned version starting today. Core activation is the quiet beginning of every visible change you're working toward. Before intensity, before sweat, before the burn, you learn to create control from the inside out. When you draw the belly in, align your breath and feel the deeper layers of your core switch on, you're building the tight, supportive structure that gives the waist its shape. Most people rush this part, but this is where real sculpting starts. Think of each inhale expanding your ribs, and each exhale pulling your center tighter, like you're wrapping your own waist from within. These first moments teach your body how to stabilize, how to move with intention, and how to carry strength into every exercise that follows. When the core fires correctly, circuits feel smoother, movements feel lighter, and your waistline begins to take on that defined, pulled-in look you're aiming for. So slow down, focus, and let the activation settle into your body. Feel the connection. Feel the control. This is your foundation, your first step toward a slimmer, stronger waist. Daily fat-burning circuits are where your energy starts to shift, and your body begins responding in real time. These short home sessions aren't about pushing yourself to exhaustion. They're about creating consistent, repeatable intensity that your body can adapt to quickly. When you raise your heart rate with controlled movements, your metabolism wakes up, your circulation improves, and your body starts tapping into stored energy. And the best part? You don't need a full gym or complicated equipment. Just a mat, your breath, and the willingness to show up for a few focused minutes each day. The goal here is efficiency, bursts of effort followed by steady control, so you're burning calories while teaching your body to move better. As you work through these circuits, you'll notice your stamina improving, your waist feeling tighter, and your confidence growing because you're proving to yourself that progress doesn't require hours, just intention. Stay engaged, stay present, and let each session build momentum for the next. These daily circuits are small steps with big impact. Waist sculpting movements are where your control and your effort start shaping into something you can actually see. These exercises aren't about rushing or twisting aggressively. They're about teaching your body how to create clean, lean lines through precision. When you rotate with intention or hold a strong anti-rotation position, you're training the muscles that define the waist without building bulk. Every slow twist, every side reach, every plank variation is a cue for your core to tighten, lengthen, and support your posture. You'll notice that the more mindful you are, the more connected these movements feel. Instead of just doing the exercise, you start feeling exactly which part of your waist is working. That awareness builds definition naturally, because the body responds better to deliberate, controlled tension than to wild, fast reps. Over time, these sculpting motions help your waist pull inward, your posture lift upward, and your midsection look more aligned and toned. Stay smooth, stay intentional, and let every rep carve a little more shape. Low-impact strength work is where your body starts to feel supported, stable, and naturally toned. These movements aren't loud or flashy, but they create the kind of strength that lasts. When you train your legs, glutes, arms, and back with controlled resistance, you're not just building muscle, you're giving your body the structure it needs to burn more energy throughout the day. Strength training boosts your metabolism in a quiet, steady way, helping your waist look slimmer because the rest of your body is working in balance. And the beauty of low-impact work is that it's kind to your joints while still challenging your muscles. You can stay consistent without worrying about burnout or soreness stopping your progress. Every squat, every hinge, every lift teaches your body how to hold itself better, move smoother, and build that toned look from head to toe. As your strength grows, your workouts start to feel cleaner and more controlled, and your confidence rises right along with it. Lean muscle isn't about size, it's about support, shape, and long-term change. Nutrition is the part of the journey that often feels the simplest, yet it's the one that quietly makes everything else work better. When you focus on eating foods that reduce bloating, support digestion, and keep your energy steady, your waistline naturally appears flatter and more defined. It's not about cutting everything out, it's about choosing foods that help your body function the way it's meant to. Think hydration first, real whole foods next, and balance meals that keep you fueled without weighing you down. Adding more protein helps your muscles repair from the workouts, fiber keeps your digestion smooth, and clean carbohydrates give you the strength you need for each session. And when you stay consistent with these habits, your body starts showing the results not just in your waist, but in your energy, your clarity, and your confidence. Small choices repeated daily create bigger changes than any extreme plan ever could. Keep your nutrition simple, supportive, and aligned with your goals. Recovery and mindset are the parts of the process most people overlook, but they end up shaping your results just as much as the workouts. When your body has time to rest, repair, and reset, every exercise you do becomes more effective. Muscles rebuild stronger, energy returns quicker, and your waist-tightening efforts actually stick. Simple habits, like stretching for a few minutes, breathing deeply to release tension, or getting a solid night's sleep, create the environment your body needs to change, and your mindset plays right alongside recovery. When you stay calm, patient, and focused on the long game, you stop chasing quick fixes and start building real consistency. Progress isn't a straight line, it's a steady rise made of small wins. Even on days when you feel tired, showing up with intention keeps you connected to your goals. Think of recovery and mindset as your reset button, keeping your body balanced and your mind grounded so you can keep moving forward. Honor the slow moments, trust the process, and let your body grow through both effort and rest.